he needs help. I mean, if you but even just read what his mother wrote, and I know that now she's trying to be a good mom and trying to defend her son after that's out.
Okay, let's use Joe Scobaro's thinking. So, yeah, according to the patterns of MSNBC and the Morning Joe show, you guys need to shut down immediately. You guys are the one that actually needs help. Pete Hegseth does not need help. Last time I checked, he's doing pretty good, right? I mean, he's got his own weekend show on Fox that obviously he had to stop doing because he's been nominated to be the Secretary of Defense. He's got amazing family, a wife, kids, served in the military. I think he's doing really good. You guys, on the other hand, you guys have been struggling bad. And every single week they keep saying that you guys are getting worse numbers when it comes to your ratings. So I think you guys should probably focus on the content and your production of your show instead of trying to personally attack individuals. And the more respectable thing for these individuals to do in the media is just to talk about the actual real issues. Is he qualified? Some of these legitimate questions that have come up, can you answer them, please? And he can only answer them when he goes to the confirmation hearing. So why spend all that energy on it right now? Now, David Urban, who also is a conservative on CNN, points out probably the simplest explanation on why Pete Hegseth is qualified.
If he does get FBI background check and vetted, there's no pass or fail. They just present a bunch of, bring a big file up,
video,
give to each senator to read, and they take it with you when they leave. I think that's important.
Locked video.